Why is my debit card not working on PS5? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can fix your debit card not working on PS5. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is go to the top right corner of the PS5 interface and select the More option. Over here, go to Payment Methods. After that, make sure the debit card you are trying to use is supported. The PlayStation Store accepts cards connected to American Express, Visa, or MasterCard. If your card is not supported, you can also try linking a PayPal account, redeeming gift card codes, or using Visa gift cards as alternative payment methods. Then ensure that all the information you input, such as card number, expiration date, and security code, is completely accurate. Incorrect details can cause the payment to fail. Next, if you are using someone else's card like your parents, check whether online payments are enabled for that card. If the bank has disabled online payments, the card will not work on the PlayStation Store. After that, verify that your PlayStation network is up and running. Over here, you can also check if the region of your payment card matches the region of your PlayStation Store. A mismatch can prevent transactions from going through. Finally, be cautious when entering your payment details. Too many failed attempts can temporarily block your account for 24 hours. So that's how you can fix your debit card not working on PS5. That's all for this video.